So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our syllabus and important topics for the psychology of language. So, the official syllabus of psychology of language is week first, communication and language, week second, the science of language, week third, speech perception, week fourth, speech production, week fifth, words, week sixth, sentences, week seven, discourse, and week eight, reading and writing. So, these are the official syllabus of our course, the psychology of language. Now let's discuss our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. So we discuss one by one. So let's start our week first. So week first, communication and language. So in week first, you have to study about definition of language related concepts like chunking, recursion, displacement, iconic symbols, morphemes, phonemes, syntax, working memory. And next is core debates, example, language evolution debates. And the most important topic of our week first is fundamental understanding of language structure and basic concept is widely tested. Now let's go to our week second. So the week second is the science of language. So in week second, you have to study about research methodology concepts like reliability versus validity, ERP components N400, implicit learning and priming, types of memory recall, serial recall, implicit memory, aphasia types, Wernicke's aphasia, and the most important topic of our week second is experimental paradigms and neurological basis of language are heavily questioned. And now let's discuss our week third. So week third, speech perception. So in week third, you have to study about acoustic properties of sound like frequency, amplitude, timbre, spectrogram, lack of invariance in speech perception, pho- phonemic restoration, McGurk effect, categorical perception, overtone versus formants. So the important topics of our week third is multiple questions per week focus on this understanding the interaction between acoustic signal and perception is essential. Now let's discuss our week fourth. So week fourth is speech production. So in week fourth you have to study about model of speech production like a dual stream model, ventral versus dorsal, Rennick Gueswin model, arcuate fasciculus frames, then content model of babbling. And next is disorders dysarthria, apraxia, aphasia types like Bracos, Wernicke's expressive. And next is consonant and vowel production, bilabial, alveolar, diphthong. And the most important topic of our week fourth is both theoretical models and clinical disorders are frequently tested. Now let's discuss our week fifth. So week fifth is words formation and phonology basics, vowel combinations like diphthongs, aphasia, dual stream model, cognitive model, computational models. And the most important topic of our week fifth is there is some overlap with speech production and word level processing is frequently touched upon. Now let's discuss our week sixth. So week sixth is sentences like syntax rules, sentence structure, active versus passive voice, parsing models like garden path model, minimal attachment, relative clauses and canonical word order, mean length of utterance MLU as a measure of child language development. And the most important topic of our week 6 is parsing strategies, structure of sentences, and syntax are highly emphasized. Now let's discuss our week 7. So week 7th is discourse. In week 7th, you have to study about pragmatic concept like common ground, privileged ground, schema, elocution, co-speech gestures, narrative structure and situation models, conversational fillers. And the important topics of our week 7th is understanding discourse level processing is central for applied communication skill. Now let's discuss our week 8th. So the week 8th is reading and writing. So in week 8 you have to study about bilingualism and code switching, semantic categorization task, adaptive control hypothesis, translation equivalence, critical period hypothesis for language acquisition, executive control and selective attention. And the overall key focus area for study. We conclude all the weeks and categorize the topics. So the first topic is speech perception and production. So it's related to week 3 and 4. And next is syntax and sentence structure. You have to study about syntax and sentence structure in week 6. And next is discourse and pragmatics. It is related to week 7th. And last is morphology and aphasia types. It is related to week 4th and 5. So these are the syllabus and important topics of our the psychology of language course. So thank you friends for watching our video. Now we will meet in our mock test series of the psychology of language. So thank you friends for watching our video.